For this week, we are going to be covering classes and objects, and we're also going to talk about value and reference types. We're going to start out with the web-based reading. You click on the link, you will see links to resources that cover all of the topics that we are going to talk about this week. And as I've mentioned before, these are not super long articles. You know, if you click on them, you know, some of them are a couple pages, some of them are a single page, none of them are super long. Okay, and quite a few of them have little coding examples. Okay, and so this is just to give you some background information. And then once you get done with this, you are going to go back and go through the lecture demo, which explains in more detail the information that you obtained in those readings. And there is a video that you can watch that covers everything, and depending on the length of the lectures and the amount of code that I walk through, you know, the videos can be an hour, a little longer than an hour, but you certainly can run the video while you're looking through this. If you have any kind of mobile device, you can actually listen and watch the video on the mobile device while you are looking through this. And that might be a good way to move forward with the videos. So as you are looking through this, you will see that I always try to give a lot of examples, and I explain what the examples are doing. Okay, so as you go through here, you'll notice lots and lots of examples. In the video, when we get into, you know, refactoring a program, I actually walk through how to do that. You know, how do I reorganize this code? Okay, so video, I think, will help you fully understand everything. So there is a lecture demo on classes and objects. There's also one on values and references. Okay, and then we also include nullable types, which I believe is new. I don't believe you got that in the 110 class. So this information is actually kind of important for you to learn and to remember, because there are questions about this on the certification exam that you're going to get in the 218 class. Okay, so this is kind of important information moving forward, that you understand all of this. So again, there's a video that kind of goes with this that will explain everything, all of the coding examples in detail. You also have a lab assignment. There is a video that goes through and explains what you need to do in the lab assignment. And because you are going to be submitting these in GitHub, again, I have a link to that GitHub document that you've already seen, showing you how to create the repository from inside Visual Studio. And then what I try to do with these programming assignments is make them similar to some of the examples that you saw in the lecture demo. And so these are links to a couple of examples that you might want to take a look at when you are creating your exercise for the assignment. Now, when I tell you to take a look at them, that does not mean you should be copying and pasting them. I mean, you should be looking at what they are doing, because you're going to have to do something similar. Okay, and so I think these are pretty self-explanatory. There's a couple that are more directive, and then there's one that you are doing more on your own. Okay, and again, there is a video that explains all of this to you. But, you know, if you have any questions, if you're confused, please reach out, because I am here to help you. And I have no problem meeting with you and helping you with any question that you may encounter. Okay. So once you are done with the lab assignment, you should have pushed those exercises up to GitHub, and you will need to add links to the Dropbox. Under additional resources, I just have, again, those GitHub instructions. You're going to be probably sick of seeing these. I will not put them in every single lesson, just so you know. But to begin with, I do think it's helpful for you to have that reference in several places. And then finally, we do have a little survey. How's the online course going so far? That's just basically feedback for me. So, you know, if there's something that will help you learn that we're not doing, please let me know by filling out that survey. If you do run into any problems, if there's anything that you're not understanding, let me know. I'm happy to meet with you or pop into my live stream office hours because I can re-explain things. You know, we can look at different examples, whatever it takes for you to understand the material. And if you are having a problem with the lab assignment, it is really helpful if you copy the code, paste it into an email and send it to me, because then I can run the code and I can figure out what the problem is and I can let you know. And if the problem is complicated, if it's a concept you're not understanding, what I will do is create a video explaining it, and then I will send you the video. So please reach out if you need any help. And as far as submitting assignments go, only submit the assignment if it works. If it does not work, do not submit it. Ask for help. Okay. Have an awesome week. And once again, let me know if you have any questions.